Hey there, and welcome to our channel, where today we're going to reveal an exciting opportunity: transforming your Instagram scrolling into a source of revenue. Are you intrigued? By the time this video ends, you'll be equipped with everything you need to start this journey. Now, you might have noticed these Instagram pages that are dedicated to a single theme or subject. They're known as Instagram theme pages, an online gallery where the content revolves around a specified theme. It could be food, sports, fitness, or anything really, as long as the content revolves around one topic or niche. And now to the question on why on earth would anyone want to start one of these pages in the first place? Well, it turns out that successful theme pages are able to monetize their content in various different ways, like affiliate marketing, paid promo posts, brand deals, and the list goes on and on. Regardless of what they do, these pages are racking in some serious money month after month, making them incredible income streams with huge long-term potential. The best thing about this, and the main reason I'm making this video, is that anyone can do this, and I'm here to show you how. Over the last 2 years, I have grown and monetized multiple IG theme pages, and have helped a few friends to do the same. There is one important but easy formula on how to get there that most people fail at, and that is consistency. Let me show you how I have done it, and maybe you will be able to do the same. First off, let me get started by pointing out a few key things that you have to be aware of when you get started in this business to avoid the Instagram algorithm to flag your account as suspicious or spam, which is what we not want in order to experience natural growth. Number 1. Don't do things that appear spammy or bot-like. Do not mass follow accounts with the hopes of them following you back. There is a high chance that if you get anyone to follow you back with this method, that those people aren't really interested in the content you post. This will confuse the IG algorithm and will probably end up in Instagram flagging your account as spam or even a bot. Number 2. Don't lose motivation if you don't experience growth in the first few days or weeks. It can take up to 4 weeks for Instagram to start showing your content to the right audience. Most people lose their motivation after a few days or weeks, which is what we do not want to do, of course. Number 3. Do not copy and paste content from other Instagram pages. If you upload a reel or post that is the exact copy from another IG page, your post is unlikely going to get pushed by the algorithm. You can recreate content by using different background music, voiceovers, or writings. Just don't copy and paste. Now on to the actual process. The first decision we will have to make is what niche or topic we want to be in. This is quite honestly one of your most important decisions when it comes to making an account. I say this because looking at this long term, this can be the difference between a couple hundred or tens of thousands of followers. If you create a page that revolves around a topic or niche that you are not really interested in, trust me when I say this, you will struggle to come up with content and lose motivation sooner or later. My recommendation is to start in any of those categories that piques your interest. When creating your new theme page, the next thing you want to think of is branding. Think of a name that resonates with the niche you picked and that sounds and looks professional. Avoid names with underscores or numbers in them if possible. This is a psychology trick where people associate simple names with brands and official accounts. In the end, this will increase your odds of getting more people to follow you. Now that you have picked your name, let's move on to your logo. I would use a platform such as Canva to create a simple and professional-looking logo. You can use a template and modify it to your liking, but keep in mind that simplicity is the key to having a professional-looking page. You can of course go a different route in your design based on your niche. Our next step is to optimize your bio. Here is an example for an optimized bio in the finance sector. As you can notice, they make it clear what their content is about and what their audience can expect from them. So when someone comes on their profile, they will understand immediately what type of content they should expect, and that will make them more inclined to follow. In your name part here, you want to put your name and also 1 or 2 keywords based on your niche. For example, this page used 3 finance-related keywords in their name. This will help the Instagram algorithm to better understand what your page is based on. It will also help your page to rank higher in search results that are based on the keywords you use. Now that we have created your logo, bio, name, and picked your niche, you're ready to start posting and actually start building an audience. I recommend you to post 2 to 3 posts a day, with 3 hours between those posts. That will help you to reach different audiences from different time zones and maximize the learning process of the Instagram algorithm. The way I used to create new posts is to sit down once a week and produce enough posts for the week ahead. You can, of course, do this daily to produce new content for the day ahead. The way to get content is as easy as scrolling through your timeline and getting ideas and inspiration from other accounts. You can recycle content that is already there, but keep in mind to not just copy and paste like I've said before. If you have found a post that you would like to recycle for your own, use a video downloader that you can easily find through a quick Google search. You can then use a video editing app like CapCut and add your touch to it, such as captivating texts and captions, video effects, or even combine it with another piece of content. Adding your touch to new content is vital. I recommend you to use one style of editing on all your content to make it feel unique. Here's another tip. Go to a popular account in your niche, swipe to the Reels section, and look at what content performed the best. Use this piece of information to your advantage and recycle content that is already proven to be popular and add your touch to it. This is the reason why I only follow niche-related accounts and content creators on my theme page account. Getting ideas and inspiration from other niche-related accounts is a key to not run out of content. Now comes another important part of building a new theme page. In order to get out of the bottom of the barrel at the start and to get those first few hundred followers, I recommend you to engage on other popular posts and reels in your niche. This way your account will be seen by other people interested in your content and get you a few followers here and there. When I started out with my pages, I always used to engage with other relevant content right after I posted a new piece of content. Just search for a niche-related keyword, go to the Recent tab, and like or comment on a few posts. Just make sure to not overdo it. You don't want to appear like a bot or spam account. If you stay consistent and put out quality content, I guarantee you that you will see results sooner or later. Now let's talk about the reason why we run these theme pages. After you have successfully accumulated a respectable following and post count, you will finally be able to monetize your theme page. You will be surprised on how many messages you will receive with offers for brand deals, paid posts, or promo. This can happen as early as 1,000 followers based on your niche. But let's not get ahead of ourselves for now. In next week's video, I will show you a way to monetize an Instagram theme page with as little as 100 followers and the step-by-step process on how I create and schedule content for my theme pages. Make sure to subscribe or leave a comment if you have any questions or wishes. See you soon.